Right now, the sentiment score for renewable energy is at an impressive plus 0.73, the highest we've seen in the last month. This spike, coupled with a momentum increase of plus 0.26, suggests a sudden wave of positivity around renewable initiatives that wasn't there before. Our API gives you a comprehensive view of this sentiment landscape, returning not just scores, but also 14 semantic clusters that indicate what themes are driving this enthusiasm. Imagine leveraging this data in your application to power insights for energy startups or policy advocates, allowing them to tailor their messaging or strategies around what's resonating with the public today. For detailed documentation on how to integrate this into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this momentum together.